Barrow. This is your Christmas message from Ian Sturrock and Sons, providers of fine Welsh fruit trees. A lot of businesses this year have had a terrible time with COVID, obviously including our own. Lots of people have gone bust. Unfortunately, we're still in business. I know there's some old bloke has just recently lost his job, and he think he's lost his house already, and he's living in this area somewhere, and well, I know he's been stealing fruit from my apple store, which obviously is fair enough. The last one he left of this is Coxcomb. The last one he left. It's a cracking apple. I don't begrudge him taking them at all. It's excellent storage. It's a really nice balance of sweetness and acidity, and it's got a really lingering aromatic. Hang on a minute. What the hell's? Oh, hang on a minute. Hang on. What's this thing? It's like an old golf buggy. What the hell? Hang on. Look over here. What's all this? It's all like junk, rubbish, junk food and stuff. What? Hang on a minute. What's all golf rubbish? Hang on. Someone's made a little tent out of these old golf things and that. It looks like, oh my god, it looks like there's a bit of tinsel. Maybe the old bloke's in there. Yeah, look, it's a little kind of camp he's made or something. Oh my god. Oh, I nearly fell over then. Oh, someone's actually in there. Oh, excuse me, sir. Are you okay? Too young, boy. Samai. Teach your panad, boy. Teach your panad. Oh my god. Oh my god. You get out of here. Get out of my polytunnel. Get out of Wales and get out of everybody's life. You ginger-faced loser. You liar. Get out of here. So now we've got rid of Donald Trump at last, things can only get better.